Critical thoughts like "I will never be good enough" can replay in your mind and quietly sap your confidence. But you can turn those thoughts into empowering statements that actually boost your self belief. One simple way to start is by using ChatGPT to reframe your negative thoughts. And I save the results in Google Docs so I can easily reference them later. I just type this prompt into ChatGPT. Rewrite these three negative thoughts into empowering statements. You can insert your own. You can pause the video and copy the prompt, then run it yourself and save the output in Google Docs or Notes, whichever you prefer. This gives you practical, personalized affirmations to counter negative self talk. While this step works immediately, long term change comes from consistently anchoring new beliefs. That's what the Confidence Challenge teaches. Step by step methods to permanently shift your inner dialogue and build unshakable confidence. Plus, you also get a customized high ticket business plan and access to endless free traffic from social media so your confidence can translate into action and real world results. It's just $7 to start, beginner friendly, and you can begin today. Click the link below and start transforming negative self talk into daily motivation and confidence.